Well, Bionet is a company dedicated to producing bioprocess equipment for the industrial biotechnology sector. More specifically, we produce fermenters and filtration units to produce biomolecules or biomass of added value, and also we produce complete bioproduction plants. So we are a provider of equipment, both at this lab level or at a big industrial level. Furthermore, we also provide our clients with services to help them scale up from their lab results to their industrial scale. At Bionet, R&D, it's on our DNA. We are a company very focused on innovation, and actually we're spending more than 50% of our turnaround in innovation. More specifically, lines we're working now is to increase the precision in how companies cultivate cells to produce added value molecules like insulin or cancer treatments on these pharma products like vaccines and this type of things. One example could be this gas unit we have here, in which we can provide our customers with very accurate control of the gaseous conditions they use to cultivate these microorganisms. Why being here? What first comes to my mind will be human talent. We as a company, as a technology-based company, we need human talent to grow and to provide services to our customers. So we are surrounded by 4 universities in less than 80 kilometers from here that are producing. They have degrees for both scientific and technology backgrounds. So that's a great advantage for us, because we can hire this talent and also we can collaborate with universities. Actually, in this park, there are 2 R&D centers from 2 public universities. And the last thing, of course, is the quality of life. Here, the quality of life is beautiful. We have a beautiful weather, we have beautiful food, and the Mediterranean Sea is 20 kilometers from here. So it's a great place to live.